Hi, welcome to RC4. Let me help you check.
Alright.
Oh, no.
Thank you. Hi, good morning. How are you guys doing? I'm going down for the breakfast now. Yes, I have a math lecture. Alright, thank you. Have a good day too. Bye bye. See you around.
Yes, good morning.
Uncle, can I have a banana muffin?
Anything for you?
No, thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I'd like to find out how I can appeal for my JS. Sure. Thank you. So I didn't get pre-allocated any JS, and I'd like to find out if there's any vacancy for other JS.
Yes, in fact, I have a vacancy in UTC 1101 Benzin. I can allocate the module for you.
Yeah, sure. I love pencil.
Good. For any future inquiries, you can email me at RC4 box 2 or you can come to the office.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Morning, Prof. Sorry I'm late for class.
Problem is solved. We get started. Welcome to UTC 1101 Benson. Yeah, please join us. We are discussing the solar PV installation. Yeah, so let's see what's happening. Oh, is this correct? Yeah, this is true. So when solar PV panels are increasing, you tend to see the decreasing in CO2 emissions over here. Yeah, so any questions?
No, that's all. Thanks, Prof.
Thank you. He is teaching and learning, and also lifelong learning aspects.
Thankful and also touched that student also write back to me after being allocated modules to thank me for my help in helping them to get the module. So I'm very happy that we have very appreciative students.
Nice to meet you all.
然后当学生来老师的时候，有时候我会跟他们交谈，然后他们是很客气的回答一些问题，甚至于老师他们会向我问声好啊。
Sometimes I feel that asking students to sleep for 8 hours is again challenging for me. Sometimes asking students to follow healthy sleeping habits and then mindfulness is again challenging for students to get it done.
Oh, anyway, very dusty.
Every part.
就是会帮忙时间哦，等学生很多的时候，不是自己一个人在那个摊位啊。我们早上6点30分是准备食物，然后7点正式学生进来索取食物。
For module wise, I find it challenging to fit some students' module, participate module into the timetable because they have very packed schedule.
Yeah.
Oh, they are very friendly, and they are very fussy and everything. After they will say, "Go home to they give us fun, they give us, we feel very happy for it. Even we do our work, very tiring. When they say hello, we are still very proud. We are very proud of ourselves that the children respect us.
creative.
Yeah, very creative.
Oh, very interesting.
Very scary.
Oh, very interesting,
Very
scary.
scary.
Oh, very nice decoration. I like.
Very decoration is okay, but when you leave, you come out early in the morning, with the
Maybe sometimes give you a surprise of wow, how you suddenly got this one.
one thing I enjoy, what? The sweet and the chocolate. You get free.
Your paint, what house?
Oh, the
one.
one.
The one also very nice.
I don't know what.
Oh,
Very nice.
very nice. You are really artist, you know.
Just wish them success in their studies, whatever. We know how difficult they are, but they have to stay and stay far away from their parents just to work hard to study. That's what we feel very happy for the student over here.
Hi, Prof. Navaru. Thank you for being on your RF. We love you.
Thank you, Prof. Nam, for making life at RC4 so vibrant.
Thank you, Dr. Anis and who clean our levels, keeping our students clean and corridors very clean. We are very grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prof. for helping us buy things for coffee.
Thank you, Prof. Naru, for the chocolate you gave us during class.
Thank
Thank you, auntie and uncles, for arranging our shoes every morning.
Thank you to all the RC4 staff. Thank you, Uncle Victor, for keeping our corridors clean.
Thank you, RC4 staff.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.